Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today again we are with a new video, that is Modifier 63. It is a continuation of CPT modifiers. Okay, so today's video is also a very small topic. Okay, it is not a big complicated topic and all. Since I have to upload all the modifiers at a stretch, so I have taken all the modifiers. That's why this is very simple and very easy to understand. So within few seconds or within a minute itself, this video will be getting over. Okay, so today's modifier is modifier 63. So before entering into this video, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it interesting, please do share it with your friends also. And before that, I have created a playlist for all the modifiers. If you're watching it for the first time, you can go through it. If you're preparing for your CPC exam also, you can go through those modifiers. And one more thing I have to add it here. I'm Dhanya Kamal. I'm a CPC certified trainer and I work as an educational consultant and a training consultant for Sahasra Tech Solutions, Chennai, Dubai, Kerala. Okay, so fine, let's enter into the video. So today's modifier is modifier 63. Modifier 63 means procedure performed on infant less than 4 kg. First of all, we should understand who is an infant, who is a neonate. Okay, so infant means from the birth till 12 months of age, that particular baby is called as infant. Okay, and neonate in the sense a baby born and the first 4 weeks after the birth, that complete duration of the baby is called as neonate. Okay, so if either it can be a neonate or it can be a infant. So if the baby is weighing less than 4 kg as an infant or as a neonate, if the baby is less than 4 kg and if any procedure is performed on that baby less than 4 kg, that you have to add the procedure code. Along with that, you have to add 63 modifier. Hope so you might have understood this what I said, because for this babies and all, now if you do some procedure, there is a lot of work, because for baby the temperature control should be there, IV access line and all, it's little bit complicated, and throughout the procedure there must be a complete monitoring and all, since it is a baby, no, that's why. So it is more extensive procedure is required there. So we should add, like if a procedure is performed on less than 4 kg infant or a neonate, you have to add 63 modifier along with the procedure code. That's all about modifier 63. I have added a PPT. You can go through it. If you have any queries, you can put it as a comment. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.